I'm going to show you a few of the less noticeable options in Crazy Talk Entertainment's new app, Magic Measure. First of all, I always forget to go into Apple's Settings app to check to see the settings for each app I download. There we go, Magic Measure. We can see here these are the default settings for all the new measurement groups that we would make in Magic Measure. I'm going to leave map type at map because it loads the fastest. I'm going to change the default of meters to miles, and I'm going to leave show pins on. We'll go back out. Now we will launch Magic Measure, and we can see when we make a new group, miles for units, map, and show pins are on by default. I'm just going to delete that one now. First of all, I went and made this. I was measuring the boundary lines of a property near my house, and once I got to the last corner, I accidentally hit the last button, which ended the path. But instead, I would have wanted to close it off. So that's easy enough to do. I can just go into the points here. The end point doesn't actually represent a point on the map, so I can delete this by swiping my finger across, hitting delete. Didn't work. There we go. And it's opened it up. We now have the options back. I can hit close, and you can see from the image it's closed off the boundary lines, and now it gives me a new full measurement of the circumference. We're going to go back here. In this situation, I had set the breadcrumbs to automatically drop points every 20 seconds, but I was in a hurry and pushed the start button before the device was allowed to narrow down my position, which is why I have this one point way out there that's kind of wonky, and it's giving me the wrong total distance. So I can go in here, and that's easy enough to fix. I go down to the start point, delete that, it updates the map, and now it gives me the correct distance, which is right here. This last one actually includes two paths that I was doing. Let's say on a hike, I had measured the distance I had hiked before lunch, and then also after lunch. I'll just go into here, turn these on, and this will show the points for the entire hike. As we can see here, we have a start point, a number of points. We've ended it where we had lunch, right here, and then we've continued on afterwards and had the afternoon hike. Let's say after, I want this one to be a full path, one long hike. I can simply delete this last endpoint. It will recalculate the total distance, and I have one full path. It's as easy as that.